Many business owners view complexity as a value add. In my experience, there are trade-offs for adding complexity, and people should really think hard before adding too much to their plate in terms of what I call ceilings of complexity. Yes, to grow any enterprise, to grow any business, to grow a practice, you are going to go through levels of adding some amount of complexity. But adding too much to the mix, trying to do too many things, to offer too many services or products to too many people, trying to serve too wide a customer base are some of the reasons that complexity becomes really a nemesis and not something that anybody wishes. Look, we all know that we're entrepreneurs by our own DNAs. We're willing to take on the world to achieve certain goals that are important to us. And that characteristic is a very strong motivator and part of the discipline that allows us to be successful in our lives. But we have to be careful about that drive. And I believe gaining clarity, particularly through outside eyes, through an informal board of advisors, through a mastermind group, through people who you can trust to look inwardly with you to say, am I making the right decisions? Am I doing this for the right reasons? My wife has always told me, David, be careful what you build because you're going to have to live with it. Commoditization of particularly a service business is something that we have to be very careful about. Oftentimes, industry sectors will put us in a box or try to put us in a box through ethics, a code of conduct, through just a normalization of this is how you do it. I know in dentistry, there's a tendency for that to happen. And when I talk to doctors, dentists, anybody who's in a specialized niche, I tell them, look, yes, there's certain rules that you have to follow, no doubt about it. But it's the customized experience, it's the culture that you bring to the table that is your key differentiator. Yes, of course, you can offer certain niche services. You become certainly good and have a reputation in a certain area. That's important. But overall, I would say today, in today's world, that providing exceptional customer service, no matter who your customer base is what's going to keep you in business, particularly in times when we have friction, recessions, corrections, when people are just not buying, when you need to be the top of mind person, company, business, practice owner that people talk about. It's the service that offers the most opportunity for you to differentiate and not be that commodity.